Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted photos from your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to find here Photo Recovery, File Recovery. Here it is, you have to install this. Now open this app. Now set your language. Here you can see recover photos. Press on this. If you want to restore your photos, then press on this scan option. Press on agree. So this is how to restore your deleted photos from your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.